Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Lots to talk about, but first, a short video on the Gimlet. I thought I did a video on this last week, but I could not find it. So, the Gimlet. The Gimlet was one of the earliest forms of small drill bits slash augers. Because if you look at the tip, okay, it has the screw tip, or what we commonly refer to as the snail, and then it's got a larger volute that goes up. So what the gimlet was used primarily for was small holes. You would start it using that screw in the front, and then you would hold it square to your wood, and you could bore small holes or just create small holes for wood screws. Okay? So that there is the gimlet. I don't know the origins of it or the origins of the name, but one Christmas I gave these away to family as gifts. I hung a red ribbon on it and hung them all on the Christmas tree. We gave these away as gifts to everybody. I wanted them to understand what it was and what it was used for. So the gimlet. Have yourself a great day. Walter out.